Looks like that guy had a bad day. Ouch. Old tin can. Alright, scouring the junkyard, I found this. According to this, it's a 67 Volvo. A bit rusty. Real rusty down here. Now they used to let you buy cars out here. Not this one. Look, it's even got a headliner still. Not, they don't let you buy them anymore. So, this guy's off to the crusher. Sentenced to death. Here's for your Chrysler fans. 80 Chrysler Newport. Oh, look at them seats. Oh boy, this interior is beautiful. Even the headliner's not saggy. Oh, can we get in here? Actually see it. Sad all these luxury cars just going to the crusher, but that's just the way she is. What do we got in here? You don't say nowhere. It's probably a 318. Oh, there's the diagram. 318, yep. This is it right here in the corner. Big old boat. Sentenced to death. If there was ever a good place for a no parking sign, it would be right here. Somebody try to get up in that. Somebody parked the truck right in the trunk of this car. Looks like it fit. Here's one for you Nissan fans. 85 Nissan 300 ZX. Big old motor. Oh, she got chewed and run into. Oh, I don't know about run into, but she is rotten there. That might have been the forklift. Oh, wow. Kind of tin cans and they just rot right out. What's left of the interior? Not much. Ooh, T-tops. Standard transmission. There you go. Here's one we're not seeing very often anymore. Old Jettas. Older Jettas. 91. 90 Volkswagen Jetta. Bet some of you drove those things to high school. She's been picked through pretty good. Go 87 Nissan. Little truck. These aren't super rare yet, but they will be. Sentenced to death. Here you go, James. This one's for you. 91 Chevy S10. Ooh, leather seats. She's got the 6 in her. Alright, 80 Ford Granada. This one's a little bit dirty. She's been sitting around for a while, growing some moss. It's like somebody took the dash out of her. Inline 6. Nice looking grill on that. That might work. Now a piece of you will live on too. Next up on death row, a Firefly. You don't see these very often anymore. 91 Firefly. There you go, Matt. Eat your heart out. These things are getting rare. I haven't seen one of these in forever. Probably why it's so picked over already. There you go. Condemned to die. Well, here's one a few of you are going to be sad about. '94 Camaro. Disc brakes in the rear. Wonder if it's got a posi in it. Can we tell? Oh yeah, it sure does. This quasi rear. These ones are wider. The wider ones. Interior's picked clean. Wow. This thing is in good shape though, body wise. Don't know why it's here so much. Geez, the engine sure is stuffed down deep in these things, eh? But you can't buy these things here, so sentenced to death row. Got a date with the crusher. Here's a cool one for all you Jeep fans. 85 Jeep CJ7? CJ7. Ford F350. These things are starting to come back into popularity since they're getting old and you never see them anymore. So there you go. But one of these things is not like the other. One of these things doesn't belong. Oh look, there's a car in the truck section. It's a Cadillac. And boy, has she ever been through the war. She's been torn to pieces. Check out that vinyl action. They didn't even try and put a year on this one, eh? Or did they? Huh? Junk in the trunk. No tags or nothing? Alright, well, if you know what this is, then drop a comment, let us know. I'd say 70s-ish, early 80s maybe. Cool. Here's one for all you square body fans. That box is just torn up. It's an 81. Got the 5-liter in it. Rockers are junk on the side. It's pretty going. But we like it. I didn't notice this little detail before. That's kind of cool. Holy moly, would you look at this thing? That thing is mangled beyond it. Look at that. The front end's just twisted right over. Wow. I wouldn't like to be in that one. That one got hit by a semi or something. Either that or he was an unstoppable force that hit an immovable object. What does it say? Nothing. Big old 3500 or something. Not sure what year it is. Paint code's all worn off. But geez, how would you like to be inside that thing? At least he didn't get crispy burnt alive like this guy. '09 Silverado. Actually, that's the newest vehicle I've seen in here. Battery's still good though, check that out. Who thinks they can get this motor running? One for you import guys, 94 Acura Integra. Still pretty nice inside. Just a faint smidge of rust. Looks like they repaired it at one point. Yeah. Interesting story. The first time I got up to 180 kilometers an hour was in one of these things. I wasn't driving, but it was the first time I ever went that fast. It's kind of fun. I should probably add that I was like 12. So it seemed pretty damn fast to me. School bus is here, kids. Been a long time since I rode in one of these. Yeah. She's full of hay. Never ceases to amaze me how many of these things still end up here after all these years. Like the owners just don't want to let them go for a long time, and eventually they have to. Let's see how this one is. Oh, same interior. Look at that. This one's a little dustier, but the headliner's sagging. Still, like, the owners really cared about these things. They took care of them. What's that? That one's also 318. Yep, 5.7. That one's in pretty good shape on the outside. Yep, the owners loved these things. And then their wives sent them to the wrecker. And now they're going to be crushed. Hardly any parts will go missing off these because a lot of guys aren't working on these things. Sad. Super bouncy. Let's check out what's in the yard today. This is the lot where they let you buy cars. Cars that need a little love. Kind of older, but not in terrible shape yet. Grandma's old car, Granddad's old trucks. Got a little life left in them. You can pick them up cheap enough sometimes. That one's not bad for $2,000. Wonder what's up with it. Look, it even has a tonneau cover. Rusty bumper. Oh, I see some rust bubble in there. It's actually pretty nice inside still. Wow. This would be a good little truck for my mom or something. Enough seats for everyone, but it still has a box. Actually, I wouldn't mind that. Put some bigger tires on it. V8 Magnum. That rust is about to break through any day now, though. But not too bad. Oh, we didn't find too much today, but let's have a peek at what's over the fence here. This is where they keep all the cars they haven't yet put in the yard. Let's get washed up and get out of here. Does it get ready to go? Thought I was gonna leave you here. Let's go.